Hey guys, today we are going to be making a clay rose. Now the clay that I'm using today is modeling clay, which is a soft oil-based clay that never dries. But you could use Play-Doh at home, you could use any sort of clay that you have, polymer clay, ceramic clay, that's up to you, any sort of clay will work. The first thing I'm doing is I'm separating my clay into at least 6 pieces. Now, notice the pieces are all different sizes, and some are bigger and some are smaller. You want them to all be different sizes. The next step is to take each piece and roll it into a ball. Then, line them up from smallest to biggest. After rolling them all, I press each one between my palms to flatten them like pancakes. Then, I line them back up again from smallest to biggest. As I line them up, I want them to overlap, which means that one part goes slightly on top of the other. They should stick together when you pick them up. You should press them together so that when you pick them up, they stick together. The next step is to take my thumb and gently smooth them so that they become one solid piece. Next, we're ready to roll them into a coil. Starting from the smallest, I'm going to gently roll, making sure each petal sticks together, and I'm going to roll them a little bit at an angle so that the top part opens and the bottom part sticks together. Once I'm finished coiling, I need to turn the rose over and pinch the bottom so that it stays together. This will keep my petals from falling apart. Next, I'm going to peel the petals back to open the rose into a bloom. You can pinch the petals to make them thinner, you can shape them and change the form of your rose. And there we have our modeling clay rose. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.